Hubspot offers comprehensive marketing tools to enhance your marketing efforts. Here's a concise guide. Create campaigns. Use Hubspot's campaigns tools to plan and organize your marketing initiatives from social media to email. Build personas. Develop detailed buyer personas to better understand your target audience's needs and preferences. Content creation. Craft engaging and relevant content such as blog posts, ebooks, videos, and infographics. Landing pages. Design conversion-focused landing pages for your offers to capture leads effectively. Email marketing. Create and automate email campaigns using personalized content and automated workflows. Social media management. Schedule, publish, and analyze your social media posts across various platforms. Lead capture. Utilize forms and pop-ups to capture leads on your website, offering valuable content in return. Lead nurturing. Set up automated workflows to nurture leads with targeted content and emails. Analytics and reporting. Track key metrics and analyze campaign performance to refine strategies. A/B testing. Test different elements of your campaigns like subject lines or visuals to optimize results. Personalization. Leverage data to personalize user experiences, improving engagement. Integration. Integrate with other tools and platforms for seamless data flow. CTA optimization. Create compelling calls to action to guide users toward desired actions. Continuous learning. Utilize HubSpot Academy for free courses on marketing strategies and platform use.